daughter, a year old. She should see. They put her in front of the cake, and then when we all sang birthday song, there's so many people. Like she cried. What the hell's going on? So many people. She did not want to touch the cake. She was very gentle. Like they were hoping she's gonna destroy that
it,
cake.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna get a smash.
Not yet. He's almost one next week.
Oh, you're almost
So
one?
yeah.
He's cute. He's staring at me in the mirror.
Yeah. So I was telling them about Balea.
Good job, Ethan.
Oh, she
Good
just
boy.
put the ice cream and whipped cream, but not the cake.
Yeah, she screamed when everybody sang the song for
She
her.
looked at everybody and the face came and it was like,
Oh, you, these
Good job,
crazy
Ethan.
people. Good boy. Excellent. Nice. See, we're almost done, buddy.
Got some here.
Good boy, Ethan.
Alrighty.
Good job, Ethan. You're gonna look handsome on your birthday.
Okay, honey. You're on. Mm-hmm.
What's that, Nathan?